Welcome back. Now you may have noticed that Zoom does offer cloud recording transcripts for your content, and that is with the business plan. However, the business plan at $19.99 per month as of the recording of this video requires that you purchase licenses for at least 10 hosts. So that may not be cost effective for you to implement. However, one thing that you can do is you can take your recording and you can download the file to your hard drive. That file will appear as an MP4. One option is to use third-party system Descript, which has both a free level as well as a paid level and a team level. You can also transcribe using Timmy.com, which also offers a machine transcription for a low price. However, if you'd rather have a human transcription, you can have that done at a site like Rev.com. Now, Descript, Rev, and Timmy are just a few of the options available to you. The most important fact to note is that you have low to very low cost transcription options available to you for your recording. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.